the evidence on Carrie A Wineland keeps adding up to corruption to me. And not only that, she not only informed Douglas Christopher Hansen of my every court date, and I like to remind people that on several of these court dates, several of these different attorneys have left me hanging throughout the court dates, and it's been really stressful, but I've been man enough to stick through it. And now you got to hear the truth. And I like to remind you that she never ever addressed it the 60 days in which she spoke for Douglas C. Hansen for on the last court date. Check this out.
Your Honor, may I call Matthew Johnson, 14C42686. He is present out of custody, Your Honor. My client posted security and was released. At this time, I'd like to request that this case be set over to July 30th at 1:30. I did send a request for, looks like there's a great deal of discovery, electronic discovery. In this case, I believe a search warrant was written for some cell phones, laptop computers. I've asked Mr. Hansen to provide copies of all that, and hopefully you've got an email in your file, Gene, but I'm looking to get forensic copies of the hard drives and whatnot, so that's the reason I'm asking for a somewhat lengthier set over than normal.
July 30th.
I do have an acknowledgement there.
There was no reason for Carrie A Wineland to ask for such a long period of time, being that she never went over that information with me. She left me to do all of the homework and all of the investigation, and I've taken it upon myself to do just that. And in the next court date, you will hear her ask for the same long period of time to go over something that she should have went over in this court date. But she chose to play around with my life, my family, you know, me, you know, my mental. So it's been a hate crime for a long time, and Carrie A Wineland and Douglas C. Hansen thought that I was going to take their forced plea offer, which was for 5 years, and Douglas Christopher Hansen has hidden that plea offer. So I'm wondering what's going on with him and why he think that it's okay to play with someone's constitutional rights, being me, and strip me of everything and hold me accountable for a crime that I never committed.